Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your movie. First, you need to decide on your movie source. Are you planning to stream from a service like Netflix or Hulu, or do you have a physical disc like a DVD or Blu-ray? Perhaps you have a digital file stored on your computer or an external hard drive. Making this initial choice is the crucial first step to enjoying your film. Once you have chosen your source, the next step is to select your movie. If you are streaming, browse the apps library. For discs, navigate the menu using your remote control. With a digital file, simply double-click it. Look for a clear play button or option, which will typically be prominently displayed. A single click or selection will initiate the movie. Now that your movie is playing, it is time to optimize your viewing experience. You will want to adjust the volume to a comfortable level, typically using your remote control or device's volume buttons. Many players also offer options for subtitles or closed captions, which you can toggle on or off. For the best immersion, switch to full screen mode, usually with a single click. If you encounter any issues, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. First, ensure all cables are securely connected. If streaming, check your internet connection for stability. Sometimes, simply restarting the application or device can resolve minor glitches. With everything set, you are now ready to fully immerse yourself in the story and enjoy your movie from beginning to end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.